heads up about probably a new project on the channel. I know we've got some running, and I know there haven't been too many updates on them just because we haven't had time. But probably see behind me there's a bunch of tires in the back. Those are for our 4-ton trailer because we have recently acquired a Holder C500. I'll put a picture up of it somewhere, or of similar, not necessarily the one we've acquired. That we're going to be using for snow removal this winter and general around the house property maintenance type of stuff. These tractors, at least the one that we've got, are somewhat old. Ours is made in the '88. We haven't picked it up yet. That's what the tires are for. Our trailer had a couple bad rims and a couple bad tires, so I'm just coming back from picking up new ones there. And it's going to need a little bit of work. These, again, this one's kind of old. It's not super ancient as far as equipment goes that we have, but it is it's getting up there, so she needs some work. They're interesting animals, and you can't find a whole lot of information about them. So I'm going to try to do as much of an informational series as I can, more than anything else, or as much as anything else. Like, you can find the parts manual for these things, but you can't find the shop manual, operator's manual, anything like that. At least I haven't been able to. It's like, sorry, on the highway, traffic pattern is being a thing. But yeah, you can't find manuals for these things. You can't find operator's instructions. Parts are a little tricky to come by, but you can at least run them. They're 3-cylinder diesels, so they're pretty dead reliable. 4-wheel drive, the one that we've got is all mechanical drive. The new ones are hydrostatic drive, so that does cause some complications in newer ones. They're single or twin seaters. Ours is a single with a jump seat. And then they're front and rear PTO, which is quite nice. So you've got a 3-point hitch in the front, and you've got a 3-point hitch in the back. Well, maybe not in the back, but you've got one in the front. You've got a PTO shaft in either the front or the back. So like with ours, it comes with a 60-inch snowplow, and I think it's a 50 or 54-inch snowblower. We've got a 60 or 70-inch blower, I think, to put on it, which it should pick up and run just fine. Full hydraulic controls on the PTO implements. They also have the ability to add a sander and a dump body. Ours has the sander control with no dump body control and no sander, which is fine. We don't necessarily need a sander. And it's going to need a little bit of work. But the important things are it runs, it drives, and it runs a snowblower, which is really what we want it for. Snow removal around our place is an interesting challenge at the best of times. The last couple of winters we've been running a lawn tractor with a snowblower attachment for most of it. We've had to plow a couple of times, but we've broken the transfer gear between the snowblower attachment, or the impeller and the auger. There's a set of gear teeth in there, and those are broken twice now. So those are broken twice. Sorry, car's doing weird things. And it's been interesting to try to work through getting those parts, because those are expensive. Those little cross drives are not cheap. They're like $100 a piece. So hopefully this new holder will do what we want it to do, and hopefully it is more than up to the task that we have for it. So I know that's been a bit long, a bit rambly. Hopefully it's everything that at least gets you prepped for what's coming down the pipeline. We'll see you next time. Sharp Sam.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps me out, and it lets you know when I put something new up. New videos will be going up on Tuesdays or Thursdays at 8 a.m. Eastern. And if I do decide to do live streams, I will try to give 24 hours notice. So hit the subscribe button on the channel, and you'll be notified when I post that stuff too. Hope to see you next time. Sharps out.